Alright, I got this back apart again. Trying to figure out what's going on here. So I'm going to pull out more shafts to see some differences here. So this is the spline shaft. And this ball's got a big flat spot on it. This has a full round ball like I'm used to. This has a thicker shoulder to hold it back further because the ball's not cut away. This one here is flatter, so this one comes down further this way a little bit. So you lean them up like this. You can see the difference there. Sticks down just a little bit further in. So it can't go in as deep, but I don't really see, if you brought that up a little, 1/16 of an inch, you're still going to hit in the same spot. It's hitting on this damn shaft. So I'm not really seeing a change there caused by this to being deeper inside of here. It still hits, so. Now if it'll come out further this way, that makes a difference. So you see we're hitting right on that corner. So I know if I grind that away a little bit, it'd work better. Shouldn't have to. So these things are not. Let's see which way does this go in. This goes in this direction. So you can see how this has a deeper cutaway on it than that one. It's actually further in, so I don't know. Shape's different, but I'm not sure where the locations are at. If I put that in there, it might work, it might not, I don't know. I can't change out the shaft because this is bigger diameter than that hole is over there by a few thou. These two different suppliers have a little bit different flat spot. Excuse me. This one's a little bit shallower than this one here. This is probably the one that's in there now. Anyway, I don't see a major change in these parts, so I don't think that's the issue. Now this one here, which is my other one, has a similar looking cutout on it. And what does look different is it's a lot fatter. So let's see here. That would definitely make a difference. You measure how far it's across right here. Around 710. See how this one's fatter? So around 750. It's 40 thou different. That's considerably different. That would definitely probably affect all this stuff we're dealing with right now. Okay, this is the same direction here. I'm not sure where we're at on this one, but around 740-ish. But this is tapered up, so it's a little bit different looking. Alright, so that might be something there, might not, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and try. I'm going to take this one out, put this one in there. See if that makes a difference. Something's not right, and repop parts are usually the problem. So, change out repop parts. Change out enough stuff, it'll work, right? change out this stupid bolt here. Which is a high spot on that thread. Still doesn't. Still got a little drag on it. It just doesn't just fall in there like it's supposed to. All right, swap out that one. And this one. Make sure you put the shift plunger back in. Okay. Oh, this has no dowel pins. Damn it. They're missing. They got robbed. Damn it. That's a light one, but I'm gonna rob these. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Okay, so instead of robbing these 1/4 inch dowel pins out of here, went ahead and got some 1/4 inch dowel pins. So anyway, these are 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch length dowel pins. That's what goes in there. So, bang them in, 2 dowels. Simple. Same bolt does not like anything I do. I think I found another problem. I put a 3/8 helicoil in there. This is a 7/16 bolt. Yep. Okay. Dumbass. That doesn't work very well, does it? Alright. We're not using that one. Things are not working today with the squat. Okay, so I ain't got time to go hunting around. More junk to use. Well, that one looks like a 1/2 inch hole in that one. Yep. That one ain't gonna work either. I think I got around don't work. Okay. Ever seem like having one of those days? Week? Month? Year? Maybe it's just 61 Sportster the problem. My guess is Taiwan Teddy. Screwing with me again. Okay, I think that's the offending problem right there. This piece here who we want. This piece we want. Okay, put in Harley part. So this is the last piece that he had with his stuff. That'll be the next thing to take out. Then we'll just have a whole Harley one in there. Okay, so right now we're not in there all the way yet for some reason. I don't think. Seems like it. Yeah, we'll find out. Okay. Okay. Tight. And clean out the old muck in there, so now it's fighting me. Alright. Wait for it. Yeah, screw it. That thing's fighting me. Keep fighting the damn thing or just fix it. Tired of this crap. Something is not happy. Come on. Damn it. What's going on here? Snap ring pliers don't want to work now. So tight in this thing. There's the problem right there. That last pop, it popped in too tight. Something's binding. There's a burr on there somewhere. It's either on this or it's in here, one of the two. It isn't this. So that means there's a burr on this somewhere. One more thing screwed on me. It goes on tight up to there and it doesn't go anymore. So we got to fix it. This is not his, this is mine. These are all my parts. It's not the problem for his, but it's the problem for me because it won't fit together right now. So it's hard to test stuff when the stuff you're testing doesn't work. We're going to hold it out until it works. Used parts get burrs. Deal with it. Whatever it was is gone now. Alright, we'll get this all cleaned up. We'll be back one more time.